Tapi kan ada yang harus kalian ketemukan.
Hi, Wan. Hello. Wait. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Oops. Hi. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. How are you today?
Good.
You are good, yeah. Did you have your breakfast already?
Yes.
What did you eat?
Cereal.
Oh, okay. The backdrop is changing. Are you in your home or just different room?
Different thing.
Just different. Okay. Okay, then wait. Let me prepare it.
Yeah. Mhm.
Okay. We'll start our lesson today. When do you still remember what was the last material that we learned? What was
We.
it about?
I forgot.
You forgot. Okay. It's about a space, a plane where you can shoot. So what was it about?
It was the 2D game.
Yeah, it was a 2D games or two-dimension games. Yeah, where you create your own simulators game and
Check my cooking.
and you put some two dimension in the 3D dimension Roblox Studio. Okay.
But
Nah,
how?
today we'll create attack in our cards. Yeah, in our card game. So you will creating some attack, and it will be like this. Let me share it to you.
Is this a green name? Uh-huh.
Ah, here it is.
Yeah.
Creating attack in our cards.
Yeah.
Okay. So attack. What is an attack? And one.
Um, attack is like damaging the enemy.
Damaging the enemy. Totally correct. Yeah. When we are talking about attack, it's like you
Like
hit the
you
enemies,
need
and the
to
enemy
destroy.
will be destroyed, or yeah, will be broken. Yeah, gradually. Nah, so we will create like that
And then to
today,
take it
and
out.
it will be like this. Yeah.
No.
Okay. So if some objects
Oh
touching
yeah,
to the
yeah.
spaceship, it
Mm.
will destroy the spaceship. Okay. Nah. So the first step is you will create the enemies. Yeah. Creating enemies, and enemies will be duplicated, will be cloned in our Roblox studio. So there's so many enemy in here, and then you can add some enemy ship allied, and you will be created like that, like this, yeah. Now and then you can put some gun start. The gun start is like the shooting tools for the spaceship, so you can shoot any enemies in there. Okay.
Maybe, maybe.
Now the task is you need to create the explosions effect like this.
Okay.
Okay. And for the shooter,
Oh my god.
your player will shoot like that. So it will be shooting the spear, and there's some line created by that shooter.
Oh, so cool.
And so many things. Yeah, we'll do it one by one later on. Okay.
So here's the point. If we
Have any question? One.
it's an exchange.
No.
In the end, we are
No. So you can share your screen and open your Roblox Studio.
the opponent have queen and rook, so we are going to queens, right?
Yeah.
So is there any chance that we can get more upper point?
Is it a queen move?
Yes, it's a queen.
Just take the rook?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Rook, right? Exchange. And in the end, we have a rook and a bishop, and the opponent only have the rook, so we are up a piece, right? That is very good for us. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, open number 30.
What are we trying to do here?
Number 1. Okay. Okay, just click the script.
Do I copy it?
Yes.
So you already learning right form.
Why are you smiling? What happened?
What?
Oh, okay.
For example, right, this
It's quite lagging. Hello? One?
Yeah.
can we
Okay. Yeah.
move this queen, for example, or can we remove
I saw that you were smiling.
this
Previous one.
remove the knight?
Now?
And it's like frozen. Open the previous project.
Wait, I think I need to copy. Maybe pawn f5.
On f5, it will take us, right?
Oh yeah. Forgot. Maybe just take the knight to the bishop.
Take the knight with the bishop. Yeah, but we cannot attack the bishop, right?
Yeah.
Because it's
So. Ini.
this is like you see this queen is don't have any good move, so they need to move first to more attacking position.
Queen b2. Okay. Do you sacrifice the queen?
No, we don't need that.
Why is it so long?
Yeah. Wait ya. What is that?
It's so long.
I never see your dog again. Where is she?
Queen
Sleeping.
F5. This is actually
Oh, sleeping.
right.
Yay.
It's attack the knight and attacks the bishop.
How many dogs do you have?
One.
Defended,
Oh, only one.
attack twice, so they defend twice.
Yeah. Okay.
So what's the next move?
What is this? Oh, see, it's like this. Oh, it follows my mouse. Is this a bishop?
Hey, can you play it?
Take the pudding. No? Oh, I can move. Oh.
Exchange.
Is it move? I can't
You can move it like using arrow keys, right?
I think.
What's our first
Now I can move it with mouse.
propose when we go
See, look.
here, right? We are marking this too, right?
I'll just take the bishop. Why? Why is the floor not good?
Bishop is free and
Stop.
it's a check.
Hold up.
Pass. Okay, very good. Next button.
Next point. Knight takes d5. No. I know. Wait, hold up. I know what I'm gonna do. I want to go to knight to
So knight takes e5 is a very good move, right? Because it's forking king and queen. So you can go there. It will be taken. So it's a very good move. Right? The house the problem is this pawn is defending e5, right? So
Oh, that way.
Well, it's like in the moon.
to move this pawn.
Wait,
Let me see.
when we can download it from the previous one then. Wait a
Yeah.
minute.
Wait a minute too. Why cannot move? Is this a cool move? Why can't I move?
Yes.
Yeah.
Queen e3. No, it's not.
Queen e3.
Now this one. When please download this project. Wait, yeah.
Take the rook. Oh,
Take the rook.
yay!
Okay.
You can click the link in the chat Zoom.
Yes.
No,
Now the pawn move.
no, e5.
Yes. Now pawn e5.
Take the queen.
Then
Take the queen.
queen. Right. So they lose a rook and a queen. And they only took the queen. So we are up. Here we are up a rook. So in the end we have two rooks, one bishop and knight. And the opponent has two bishop and only one rook. We are up. Okay, very good. Next up.
Oh, I was doing it.
Wait, not that one. Sorry, one.
I want to go
No, not that one. Yeah, sorry. You can close that. This one, yeah.
Hold up.
This one. You can download the link in the chat room.
Check the home.
Which way?
Oh no. Oh yeah, the left way. Left way.
It's taking this pawn, so we are up a pawn,
Take it up.
and it's also the rook. It's correct. Way.
Hey.
Okay, very good.
What is this?
Next.
I think not that one. You're still open the previous one. Close it.
Bruh.
Click the second link. I already sent it in the chat room. Yeah, it's different link. No, it's not races. No.
Oh.
I already sent the new link.
Bishop to
YouTube.
what happened if they go here?
Why is it serious?
Can you force them to do something here?
First time. There. Bishop. No, not bishop. Is it bishop? Bishop E3.
Bishop E3.
Oh, this one.
Bishop E3 then. If you look practice twice.
Nah, this one. Okay, you can play.
Okay. Wow.
Here.
Oh, so cool. Oh, so cool.
Nah, it's possible lah there.
So cool. Oh, I know what to think. Oh. Which way? Okay. H2.
H2.
Yeah.
And then what's the advantage for us?
I don't know.
So this is, you have two checks, right?
Hold up.
We'll continue ya, Wan.
Okay.
Get anything.
Nah, so the next step is you will create this one. Wait, where is it?
Yeah.
Nah,
Okay, check that way.
So if they take, then we can take back. So we are
now we'll create enemies, so you can go to the server storage.
with 6 points.
Go to the server storage and add a new folder.
I don't know why they move here.
Server storage.
That is very, not very makes sense, right?
Yeah. Is that what the bishop?
Anyway,
Oh, take the queen.
yes, just take a click, right?
And then?
Add a new folder.
That's
No. Just click plus button. Folder, and then in there. Oh, the enemies folder is already there, so you can delete it. Yeah. No, just delete this one. Right click and then delete.
take anything here.
Nah, no. Don't delete it. Add a new sphere. One.
Take the pawn. Huh?
Add a new sphere. from the part.
Take the pawn. Take this pawn,
Okay.
and it's over, right?
And then rename it as enemy ship.
Take the A5 pawn.
Enemy ship.
Yes, just take it, and you have these two pawns. And if this pawn goes here, goes to E3. If connected pawns arrive in third rank, then what
And
will
then
happen? Then how will you play this?
move this enemy ship into enemy's folders.
Move, it will be taken. If this pawn move, still take it. How will you push this pawn?
Bishop C5.
Bishop C5 here.
Oh,
Wait, now it's white moves, right? Okay, white moves here.
What's wrong?
and then attach a light source. Add a light source in here. Click plus button. Light source. No, you need to type it. Light source.
My bishop is so dangerous.
Light source. Just point light.
How do you save it?
Search point light ya. Nah,
Should we save it or should we sacrifice it? How do we sacrifice it?
Sacrifice.
And how?
I don't know.
Anything that we can move?
Okay, and
nah. The
then
next one is you can go to the workspace and then add a new folder in the workspace. Scroll up.
It's okay, it's still ready.
Rename it as enemies.
At this point,
Yeah.
and it's even.
sacrifice the bishop, taking the pawn.
Okay, taking the pawn.
Terus
Okay. Then
I'll go
wait ya.
take these two pawns, goes here.
okay, now push A4 pawn.
Push A4 pawn, go here.
Okay. And then bishop D4.
Now let's create a gun that will shoot enemies. Okay. To do this, create two parts and rename them gun start and gun end. So you put two blocks.
Then, okay, I can still check in again.
Put a new two blocks.
Yes.
Move it away.
6.
Like, yeah, give a distance between them. Gun start and gun end. Yeah.
Gun what? Oh.
Right, so maybe not that way.
Gun start and gun end.
Yes, King E6 is better, right? Because it's closer to this pawn. Okay.
Gun start.
Gun start and gun end. Rename it. The other block.
This pawn, maybe I will go
Gun
here.
what? Okay.
Gun end.
Then I'll go on D3.
Yes, pawn E3 is defended. Right. Go here.
Okay. On D2.
Pawn E2 is good. I think you will promote. So maybe I'll push this pawn.
Pawn A3.
Okay.
This pawn A3, now
Move gun end to the arena.
sealing deal, right?
gun N, move it to the arena.
This rook cannot go anywhere.
And then
So I will push.
move the gun start
Maybe not push.
in the gun N.
This bishop.
And then in the gun N,
Yes.
at point light.
And can you win this position?
Yeah.
Queen versus a rook.
Yeah.
But you are.
And also add a new script ya in the gun N.
Yes.
Can you win this? Okay.
No, okay. So the script will be available from the previous one. You already copy, paste it.
Five.
You can delete line 3 ya.
Yeah. Maybe you'll be first.
Okay. I'll push my 8 to 5.
8 to pawn.
Oh.
Okay. I need to expand.
I'll promote.
Okay, and then
I take with the queen.
I check.
try to play it one.
Okay. Okay. I'll go king e4. Wow.
Or
Where is it? Nah, see?
Oh. Queen g1 check.
queen d1. Okay. Can go here.
The enemy is unlimited.
Queen h1. Wow.
Queen h1.
I can drive.
Can go here.
I take the pawn. King go
It's not
e5.
infinite. Does it never stop until this
Yeah.
thing?
It never stop.
Yeah, queen e5. Okay, push it there.
Queen f2.
Hold on.
Queen
Wait a
f3.
second.
Push here.
Okay. Okay, and then
Sorry.
king e6. No,
King e6.
king on. No, king e6.
Sorry.
King e6.
Why is everything so weird?
Okay. King e7.
Eight, six, seven.
How you can push this one?
I take g4 pawn. Good job.
d4. So,
I'll take the pawn.
Ready?
take the pawn.
Wait, I anchored this first.
Push.
Queen g7 checkmate.
I wanna see.
Okay, very good. Yes. Cool.
Yay.
So you won this game. Yeah.
Wait, I have to have a. Okay. Why can't I go up? Okay.
Okay. Nah. Go to the enemy ship. Scroll down. In the Explorer, search it.
Queen. c3.
And then
Enemy ship, and then add a new script. Name it as touch script. In this enemy ship,
It has to be a king.
add a new script. No, in this one.
Just take the queen. Oh.
Take the queen.
Maybe tes touch script ya.
Wait, why you can move? Okay, take the queen, correct?
Yeah. Check. And then push the A5 pawn.
You wanna push or you wanna take? Because
Oh,
if you wanna
take,
push,
take.
then it will fall right.
Take.
Right, so you need to take. Okay, still. Going.
Now dash.
Okay, push.
Touch script.
We push again.
Going.
Push.
Push again. Okay, now.
And then.
Touch script.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Copy the script from the platform.
Okay.
Yeah, copy the script from the platform.
What platform? Where? We take the.
Take the rook. Very good. So, taking the rook is not for the back, so it is okay.
I take the queen. Copy the script from where?
From the platform. Open the platform.
Yeah, and then.
The AlgoNova.
Oh, okay. AlgoNova. Take the
Take the.
knight to the bishop.
Yes, take the knight. Very good. Oh, still holding. Still have a check here.
King F7.
King F7, then you will rule and your bishop is under attack, right?
How? Where'd I go? Oh.
Amiga, one.
H8.
H8, that is the correct one. So we solved the puzzle. Yay.
Yay.
Okay, next up.
Okay.
Okay. Where is it?
Lucu dan cuma ketawa. What's that?
So you see the basic tactical moves here.
What's the objective? Okay, now what?
Number 2.
Tactical move like form, in, and or discover the attack. For example, you move here, this is attack, and
Copy.
Okay, rook to F6.
rook to f6.
No,
then
the
take
other.
the other rook goes to f6. Is there any problem? What's the problem? Okay, then f6 right. And if you make back, then it's not a form
Okay.
anymore.
Now.
You can take it.
Okay.
So the objective is to remove this d8.
The next one is. Okay, check the script ya. You can play it.
Okay. Yeah, I can play it. What? This has to be a rook move. What's
Go to
now?
the enemies.
Yeah. Why do you like this? Oh. Rook to E7. The ball. Oh. What's happening? Oh.
You haven't destroyed?
Sorry?
What's the E7?
Destroy what?
You should be destroyed if you touch the enemies.
It can take
Oh
you.
my
No.
god.
Stop.
That H7.
Okay, you can delete this one. Right click and then delete. And the enemy ship.
So you don't discover attack.
Try to play it again.
Okay. Yeah.
Don't do that.
That's what I said.
What are you supposed to do?
Do this. Boom! Ah! Whoa! Ah!
Can you tell me again?
Okay. How to make
I already know
the?
that.
How to make it faster?
No, that's already fast.
No, it's not. How to make the generator?
Take something. Okay.
Okay, you can go. You can stop it again,
Okay.
and then add a new sphere. Rename it as projectile.
Just take the one.
Oh, we just
Add a new sphere, and then rename it as projectile.
Take this bomb. They can take you. You can take you the check, but they can
okay now.
ship. You can take back. Is there any
What now?
advantage for you?
No.
What do I do?
You have to read the ship and the rope. You open it for the ship and the rope. It's leave you with three bombs.
Now.
And the opponent also with three bombs. So there are no advantage for you. Is there any more any rules? You can calculate, right?
Ooh.
Here, calculate that way. How is it go here first?
Now what?
That one.
Takes,
No. Yeah, takes and then
Now what?
Derek takes and then I take.
Finish.
you take, and then the last one is
Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah.
and it's still reflecting this.
And then
Add a new sphere. Name it as projectile.
Why is it so complicated?
So if you take, if it's taken by the rook, then this rook is not defending this anymore, right? You can take it to bishop, it's a check, and it's a pawn.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that one.
Yeah, right?
No. Oh yeah. Okay.
And take
And then enter. Scroll down. Search can collide in here.
can collide.
Yeah.
Turn it off.
Okay.
so they take it to bishop.
Then
What is our scenario here?
And then add a new vector force in here. Vector force.
Take with the rook.
Let's take the rook. So they need to take.
And then you retake the pawn.
Vector.
Very good. This is a block.
there's no.
So now we just take the
P.
Now we have bishop.
Huh?
Vector.
Oh my god. It's so complicated.
Oh, vector.
This way, most of the keys is
Vector what?
And then add a new attachment.
Huh? Which vector?
Vector force.
Oh, okay, and then
Add a new attachment.
attachment.
No, in the projectile.
What's the objective here?
Okay.
And then
that is
click the attachment.
that the only one. It's called as
No. Just click the attachment.
file.
And then remove this one. the search bar,
once and effect twice.
and then scroll down.
For example, this knight is attacked once,
Scroll down again.
twice, so obviously
Attachment. Search for attachment.
effected once and effected twice. And then this knight
Oh no. In the vector force ya.
3 times, so obviously
In the vector force search attachment.
the other is that
Now click attachment and then search and click the project
just
and the attachment attachment. Click the attachment. Rename it. Rename the attachment as projectile center.
It's attacking my knight and
Projectile center.
yes, it's attacking our knight and it's defended just once, right? Is there any other pieces that attacking the execution?
no. Oh.
Is there any piece that attacking this ocean?
Maybe my bishop is double attack.
Okay, and then
Way of thinking, but is there any more direct attack? You cannot see this.
Oh my god.
Now worked.
Okay, yeah.
add
I
a
see.
trail in the projectile.
You see this?
Click plus
Backwards.
trail. TRAEL.
Oh.
Nah. And then add a new attachment in the projectile.
Knight is gone, right? This bishop has no defender, you can take it for free.
Rename it as projectile bottom ya.
Projectile bottom.
How do you get rid of the... No.
And then click the trail.
Trail and then.
Click the trail.
Oh.
And then attachment 0.
I was about to
Projectile center.
do 5. Attacking the queen.
Attachment 1.
You are,
Click attachment 1. Projectile bottom.
this knight is defending this, right? Is attacked by the queen, and this is attacking the knight, right?
Just take the knight. Okay.
Yes, just take the knight, and now
No. It hasn't finished. No, it hasn't finished.
so
Yeah.
take all of this square, right? Sometimes you only look this area or this area.
Now.
So now try to look all of the board.
Go to the projectile bottom.
Okay. Next.
And then.
Remove the search bar.
Or something that is
Then.
And then position.
like once.
Change the ini click the triangle. Change the x minus 0.5.
Oh, I was going to say, please tell me we're right.
Minus 0.5.
Sorry?
I was thinking of doing it. Yeah.
Okay, there is 0.
Sir?
Okay, click the triangle in here. In here.
What is your target?
Oh,
Move it to the replicated storage. This one.
move it to replicated storage.
That is semi-independent.
And then in the projectile, add a point light.
The roof
Projectile
that attacking
and light.
And then scroll down, go to the server script surface.
Take the queen.
Click the server script surface, the triangle.
it's an exchange, right? So usually we want to take
Now add a new script. Name it as weapon handler
so we
and also weapon script.
Name it
Weapon
as
handler
well.
and also weapon script.
So I make two.
Yeah, add two.
And then weapon script. Weapon. Oh. Weapon.
No, not weapon script and then weapon handler.
Oh yeah.
probably they will take the roof still depending is it is correct that it is rope move and moving this rope then it's around square.
Rook G2.
Yes, do is a check.
Oh, they don't take. Okay, we take the rook then.
You take the rope. You take the rope. So that is wrong.
Why?
Because the queen can escape.
Oh yeah. That's true. Check again. Now what? G1.
Scroll down, go to the starter player. Starter player, click the triangle.
This is
Starter player script, click the
Before.
triangle.
No.
sorry.
Is it another rook move?
Scroll down.
Queen G2.
And then add a new script, yeah,
What? In what?
in the starter player script.
Oh, and then you take the knight.
Yes, that's right. So why is it correct move?
Click plus, local script, and rename it as weapon remote.
Right?
Yeah.
And down these.
Okay, weapon remote.
Weapon remote. Okay, and then go to the server script surface. Server script surface. Nah, in there, you add a new script in here.
The exchange.
Where?
Name it as weapon handler.
But my queen add a new script. Danger.
Script, yeah.
Only a queen.
Weapon handler, yeah. Name it.
Already.
Oh, already.
Yeah.
Click this one. Already available. Click the weapon handler.
Knight. E5.
Double click, click.
Queen. And
Okay, so you can go to the Mozilla Firefox. Yes, and then copy the script. No, 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 no. This one. You can go back from here. Nah, yeah. Okay, and open number 3. Number 3. No, not number 2. No.
So just calculate, right? If you take this,
Oh my god. Why did I see that?
you didn't see it.
So,
So that is the extension for any better
This one?
Yeah.
take this way and then take back. Take this bishop or you will take this
take the rook.
right? That's the question. First let's do rook and it's a check, right?
Yep.
And then how if they didn't take the queen, let's take
And then?
the knight first.
And then add a new script in the server script service. Name it as weapon remote.
Not like this because it's
Weapon what?
Then take the
Weapon remote.
because it's
Oh,
In
hey.
here.
We're already. I
this.
think.
They take back,
Go to where?
take the bishop and
In the server script service.
your queen, right, and the knight. So you are
Server script service.
they also losing the queen and the bishop, so it's not
This.
that dangerous.
Where? Okay, and then?
Name it. Name it as weapon remote. You haven't renamed it.
Weapon remote.
Take the queen first, right?
Where's the script?
Okay, take the queen first. That is correct. So now they take the queen. So which scenario will we do?
Where? Oh.
Take the
We
rook.
already calculated. Yes, take the rook. That is the correct answer. Yay!
Yeah.
So that's why we need to calculate the scenario.
Does he not feel like that?
Correct? This is the last puzzle of the game.
Wait a second.
Oh my god.
Weapon remote. Name it.
Okay.
What's the objective here?
Yeah, obviously the queen is undefended, so right, the next one, yeah, this bishop is not a defended part, so that could be target also. Then what else? There are no possible
That's already weapon remote. And then?
right? We don't have a
And then copy from the
attack.
Algonova.
So only
Okay.
this can we attack, right? Probably probable that is relevant to this.
Maybe just
Number
take
3,
the
yeah.
knight.
Number 4.
Okay, take knight, they can take
Open the
this.
second one. This one you can go back to the previous step when.
So right, it's not an advantage.
It's a knight move, right?
Knight move? I don't think so.
The queen?
No. It's a rook move.
Then?
Rook E8.
Yeah, paste it.
Yes, what is the purpose of this rook e8?
Attacking the queen.
Okay, just save it when.
With the bishop, right?
Face.
So that
No, it hasn't finished, yeah. But we can publish it. Later on, we will finalize this one. Okay?
Oh wait,
know what should after that happen.
look how many are
Do you have
there.
any questions, One?
I don't.
Wait, this.
Wait, then it,
Next one.
What is this block for?
Yeah,
This
it hasn't finished.
This one.
If you attack
Have
one,
any other questions?
then you
Oh,
better, right?
oh, take the knight,
Hold up.
bishop,
Yes. Take the knight,
No?
and then
No.
take the bishop.
then you take the bishop to our room.
no.
Okay, so you can save it, yeah, One. So today you already create simulator games, and I'll see you in the next sessions, yeah? Bye-bye, One. Good afternoon.
Good. Thank you. Bye.